Okay, so today we're going to be performing the sit and reach test. You may ask why we do this test. This is to assess the flexibility of the lower back and the hamstring. It's actually a better measurement for hamstring flexibility. Lower back and hamstring flexibility have relative importance for activities for daily living and sports performance, so that's kind of why we perform this test, just to make sure that you are able and ready to perform activities for daily living and sports performance. So for the pre-test, I've had my client take off his shoes, and I've already had him do a short warm-up just so that he's warm and limber and ready for this test. And I do ask that you refrain from fast and jerky movements. This is more for your sake, just to make sure that you're safe and we don't have any injury. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate. You're going to be sitting on the floor. Make sure those shoes are off. You're going to have the soles of the feet flat against the box. The inner soles of your feet, so the insides, are going to be about 6 inches apart. We've actually have the 0 mark here at 23 because this is a FitnessGram box. So when we look at that table to see your scores, we're going to subtract 3 from the scores on the table just to make sure that we have an accurate. Have your hands overlapped even, and you're going to make sure we don't have any fast jerky movements when we're trying to get that measurement. And you're going to slowly reach forward with both hands as far as possible and try to hold that for 2 seconds. And we're going to take 2 tests, and then we'll take the best of your 2 trials. Make sure that those hands don't come forward in any way. We want to make sure we stay even and we're pressing even. A tip is maybe exhale and then push your head down between your arms. That will kind of help you get a better reading as well. Okay, so as demonstrated. So for the test, I'm going to have you sit in front of this FitnessGram box. Okay, so my client's going to overlap his hands, holding them out in front of him, and making sure that those hands don't overlap at all and that his knees don't come up when he pushes. Make sure when you push, you try to hold for 2 seconds, and then we'll get the reading. Okay, go. Okay, you see we got 31.5. So we're actually going to push that back to 23, and he's going to do one more test, and then we'll take the best score. Okay, and he got 33. Okay, so your result, best score result was 33, which is in the very good range. The very good range is from 31 to 36, so that's super awesome. You can still increase your flexibility if you wanted to.
How can I do that?
You can increase your flexibility by stretching 2 to 3 times a day, similar stretches of the sit and reach, kind of reaching down, stretching those hamstrings, and things like that can definitely help increase your flexibility.